Welcome to our fun zoo adventure. Today, we're going to count zoo animals from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. Can you count the zebras on the screen? How many are there? That's correct. There are 8 zebras. Great job! How many giraffes do you see on the screen? Oh, correct. There are 10 giraffes. Fantastic counting. Look at these cool creatures. Can you count how many iguanas you see? That's right. There are 4 iguanas. Lions. Can you count how many lions you see on the screen? There are 6 lions. Lions are so strong and majestic, aren't they? Look at these beautiful pink birds. Flamingos. Can you count how many flamingos you see on the screen? That's correct. There are 5 flamingos. Flamingos are known for their long necks and pretty pink feathers. Look who's here. It's bears. Can you count how many bears you see on the screen? Great job! There are 9 bears. Bears are big, strong animals, and they love to eat honey. Now, look at these adorable pandas. Can you count how many pandas you see on the screen? That's right. There are 2 pandas. Pandas are so cute, and they love eating bamboo. Uh-oh, look at these slithery snakes. Can you count how many snakes you see on the screen? That's right. There are 3 snakes. Snakes may look scary, but they are actually very quiet and they slither on the ground. Look at these playful otters. Aren't they cute? Can you count how many otters you see on the screen? That's right. There are 7 otters. Otters love to swim and play in the water. Here come the camels. These amazing animals can walk for miles in the hot desert. Can you count how many camels you see on the screen? That's right! There are 5 camels. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they can carry heavy loads across long distances. Look at these fierce tigers. Can you count how many tigers you see on the screen? That's right. There are 10 tigers. Tigers are powerful hunters and have beautiful striped fur. Look at these clever little foxes. Can you count how many foxes you see on the screen? That's right. There are 3 foxes. Foxes are known for their fluffy tails and their clever, quick movements. Look at these amazing elephants. Can you count how many elephants you see on the screen? That's right. There is one elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals, and they have big ears to help keep them cool. Look at these sleepy koalas. Can you count how many koalas you see on the screen? Oh, that's right. There are 6 koalas. Koalas spend most of their time sleeping in trees. They love to nap. You're doing a great job, little friends. Today we had a blast counting zoo animals from 1 to 10. Let's quickly recap all the numbers. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did amazing! See you in the next video for more fun and learning. Bye-bye!